What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a button to your HTML website. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe. We are very close to 100 subscribers, and yeah, that's it. Without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, so first let me just make an H1 over here, and I'll call this title. And now let's make a paragraph tag just to tell people what our form is going to be about. So we'll say, you know, fish or meat. Just something like that. It doesn't really matter. And now we can do a text field. So input and type equals parentheses text right over here. And we close this off. And now below this, we can add our we can add what we really want to add. All of this over here. And the H1 and the P, those were just for description. The text box is, just to show you a situation in which it can be used. Okay, so now what we have to do in order to make the submit button is, we do $sign button, type equals, quotations, submit, and then we close it off. And in here we put in the text that comes in the button. So we can just do submit. And that's basically it. So let's try running this. Let's do file, hit save. Let's open up the file explorer and just go to where your file is. So over here, this is the file. I double click it and it's gonna open up a new Chrome tab. So you see over here, we can put in something. I'll do meat, and over here is submit, and you can just hit submit, but nothing really happens because we don't have anything to we aren't really collecting this data, but that's not really important. This video just shows you how to create a button. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.